Hi everyone, and welcome to the unboxing of something special. This is from a members club, Mr. Gentleman London. That's, I don't know if you can see it on there. It's a gentleman's cigar, well, not just men, women as well. Cigar club. We tend to catch up, every weekend more or less. Every week, should I say. And the beauty is it's not just even about the cigars, but a forum where you can sort of sit back, relax, have good conversations. No one's showing off. It's just real, frank conversations. Ultimately, to help with the whole mental health. A forum that brings men together from different walks and from different places in life, really, and different backgrounds. And it's fantastic. So the gentleman who owns this is called Mr. Alex, and yeah, I just thought I'd showcase. This is the membership card. I'm really impressed at how it comes. Obviously that's my name, Shay. I got I don't know if it's focusing. I got 003 because I got triplets, so 003. I'll just move this cigar case away for now, and I'll walk you through how this comes. I'll move this away as well. So in the presentation box, obviously this is how the membership card comes. I'll just open this, and then in here you get this fantastic leather cigar case, beautiful, and a welcome cigar, one of many, because we get cigars literally all the time. We're there, we try different cigars. He really knows his stuff when it comes to New World cigars. He got me into New World cigars. I love my Cubans, and I have tried other types of New World cigars, and I must say I'm really impressed. So yeah, that's a single case for it. So I'll just keep that aside. There's some packaging here. I guess that's empty. I can move this aside now. Put this on the floor here, and then boom, Mr. Gentleman London. You get the ribbon. Open it like so. Put this here out of my way. I'm literally in the garden and I thought I'll do this. Voila. You get this welcome lighter. Isn't this fantastic? Beautiful, with like a little compass on there. I mean, he would tell me more about it, because everything he does is intentional. Everything he does is intentional. So this is a beautiful lighter which I would be keeping. Fantastic. And then let's open this up. Keep this aside for now. Just leave it here so you can see. I don't want it to scratch. I'll put that in a leather case. Voila. And here you go. Oh, perfect timing. Someone comes and the doorbell goes off. Mr. Gentleman London. It's got some good weight to it. Voila. I'm not sure how this opens. Do I open it this way? Yes. Wow. Get this sticky stuff. Just pull that aside. That's the gentleman there, Mr. Alex. Voila, VIP 003. Mr. Gentleman London. You get the Mr. Gentleman London card with the QR code, which tells you all about membership and so on. Fantastic. This is really well put together. Obviously you get the whole NFC chip as well. There you tap that on your phone. Takes you to I think it's a members area on the online platform. I can see what happens there. I think I haven't activated that because I'm not a fan of. Okay, it's actually on. So yeah, so it tells you, Mr. Gentleman London official member. It tells me everything about me. It goes to the members area, the website, the shop, social media as well. If I click on social media, because we all love social media, right? So yeah, so you can see a few of the events we go to, but that's a different video. I'll just keep my phone aside. But yeah, this is just the presentation, and like I said, you're constantly getting gifts. Like this is another fantastic souvenir by Mr. Gentleman London. Highly recommended. Members Club. It's a drink and a cigar holder there. Isn't that fantastic? You know, so you get the funnel you can put in there to put in your whiskey or whatever, and you have a cigar and a good drink there. You know, Mr. Gentleman London. You know, yeah, it's fantastic. And like I said, you know, you wouldn't even know this is a black-owned business. It's been very well put together, but that's not even the point. I'm the one for saying black business, white business. It's a business is a business, and he's done a great job. And so yeah, so I thought I'll just do this unboxing. I'm so pleased that this is borderline a weapon, actually. I'm surprised if they'll let me fly with this, you know. But yeah, beautiful content. Yeah, you know, obviously multiple cigars, cases. Like I said, I love my Cuban, so there's quite a few on there. So most of these cigars as well, as a member in the club, you all would probably be aware of this. Anniversary, this is a Davidoff. This is quite a rare one, number 3. Beautiful smoke. Yeah, well, thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. I'll do my best to answer. If not, reach out to Mr. Gentleman London. Yeah.